You are listening to a series of 10 podcasts on the foundations of American government and politics, presented by Citizen U. Episode 8. Explain how the U.S. Supreme Court over time has interpreted the meaning of criminal due process as guaranteed in the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights contains many diverse protections. In addition to political rights like speech and press, they also protect us from oppressive police powers. Throughout our history, there have been a number of landmark cases that have defined the meaning of these rights. Below you will find a few of the most important landmark cases. Mapp v. Ohio, 1961, incorporated the exclusionary rule, using the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. The exclusionary rule disallows in court any illegally obtained evidence. The exclusionary rule provides a safeguard for our Fourth Amendment right to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures. Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, held that any suspect put in custody by authorities must be first informed of their rights. The Miranda warning hence has become standard at the point of any legal detention. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Gideon v. Wainwright, 1963, incorporated the Sixth Amendment's right to an attorney. Not only in federal cases, but also in all state and local as well, the government must provide legal counsel. Griswold v. Connecticut, 1965, utilized the vague language of the Ninth Amendment to establish the right to privacy. Though not specifically mentioned in the Constitution's Bill of Rights, the right to privacy was later extended to include a woman's right to choose an abortion in Roe v. Wade, 1973. Few judicial opinions have been more controversial. One commonly misunderstood criminal law practice is the plea bargain. Courts have frequently upheld their validity. A plea bargain allows the state and its prosecutors to offer a reduced sentence if the accused agree to plead guilty to a lesser offense. The intent of a plea bargain is to reduce the heavy workload of the court system. Plea bargains ultimately mean fewer trials and more defendants doing time for their offenses. As these cases represent, the Supreme Court acts as the final arbitrator of our rights and privileges as United States citizens. You have been listening to a series of 10 podcasts on the foundations of American government and politics, presented by Citizen U.